Hey, what's going on, guys? So if many of y'all follow my Instagram, y'all know that I just posted up that I got these Blackhawk Proto quarter-inch drive universal impact sets, and they are in SAE. Didn't go for the metric yet. I normally don't use a lot of SAE, but these are pretty good price on eBay, so I went ahead and scooped them up. Quarter-inch drive, probably won't use them much, but just to have them, just never know. And when you see a deal, you see a deal. I haven't been picking up many tools lately. I got quite a bit over the holidays from family and friends and stuff like that. So just kind of slowing down. Plus, you know, trying to catch up from holiday bills and stuff. But definitely was excited to see these. So I've already taken them out of the box, as you can see. There's the part numbers. This is for the deep set. And there you can see, you can go into their website, made in Taiwan. Comes in a cardboard box, nothing fancy. And then here's the shallow set, part number. Same thing, made in Taiwan. And this is obviously isn't going to be a tool review video. It's more of a tool haul. Just want to show you guys what it is. So we'll start off with the deep set first. Comes double bagged. And originally, I wasn't looking for a particular brand with the quarter-inch drive ones. I think on my list I had the Blackhawk version. But the only problem is they didn't have a really, truly deep set from what I could see in the pictures. And I hadn't seen any reviews on those, unless I missed it. And even those, they didn't come on a socket rail like these. So as you can see, comes on this anodized aluminum socket rail. And normally with these, you can just take this rubber end cap off and slide them off and adjust them however you want. And these are 6-piece sets on both of them. And it looks like they do come from the factory pre-oiled, which is good. I normally shoot them down with some WD-40. I made some, got some suggestions earlier, so I may end up trying to use some coil. And obviously with these deeps, they're kind of top heavy, so I may go get an Ernst socket boss rail for these eventually. But we'll see how they look in the SAE drawer over there. So I'll go ahead and open up the shallow ones. These look like they come double wrapped as well too, so probably that way it helps keep the moisture out as they stay in storage or on the shelves. I know some of these, they end up coming dry and with a little bit of rust on them depending on what area they're coming from, but that's pretty good. So that's a good thing. And there you go, there's the shallow version. So same thing, aluminum anodized in black socket rail. So these are pinned, as you can see. All of my impact swivels are pinned, but on a quarter-inch drive, you're probably not going to get enough torque and impact on to bust these up. Like I said, these will see very light duty. I mean, most scenarios you probably be able to use like the regular universal sets, but if you want to put on an impact gun, which I do have a quarter-inch drive impact gun. So, and there you go. I'll just go ahead and do a close-up shot so that way you can see them. And then you can put these right in front and you see the difference in height. So these come from quarter-inch all the way up to 9/16. There's half-inch, 7/16. I believe this is 3/8, and then 5/16, and then quarter-inch. Same for the deeps as well. So they're roll stamped on the sizing and they're chromoly. And then they also have the Blackhawk logo right there with the etching, 1/2 inch, and then the individual part numbers. So these aren't twist lock or anything. Like they're just held on by a small ball detent right there on the side. So nothing special. Still not bad as far as what you get. But again, normally this one's on there pretty tight. Come on. This one needs a little bit of persuasion. Let's see. It's kind of weird. Oh, I have no idea. So there you go. You got them all facing out forward correctly. So it looks like these sizings aren't all aligned. I guess just depends on how it's rolled in during the manufacturing. We'll go ahead and get these straightened up before we should have done them the other way around. Yeah, so yeah, you see the inconsistency with these, the detents on the side, this hole for the detents on the side, the etchings on there. But this one, the hole for the detents right with the etching. So kind of discouraged about that. Wish they would have made that a little bit better. Come on now, Proto. I know Blackhawk's not the top of the line in their stuff, but still. You're still paying a little bit of extra premium. Should have got a little bit better. But nonetheless, still excited to get these. Let's go stick them in the box over here. So let's see, we'll scoot these down. Bad boys there. There you go. 1/4 inch swivels. So even on these anvils, hole for the detents on the side. Let's check this one on this one. Nope, not consistent either. Well, I guess they don't really doesn't bother, but wish they would have done that. So anyways, let's see, ADVs on the side. Yeah, at least the macros are pretty consistent. So there's all on the side. Yep, even on these shallows. Sorry if I'm missing it. Yeah. So I guess what you get what you pay for, but nonetheless, it's still gonna work. There's it. Just want to show that to y'all. If you have any questions, comments, or whatever, just put them below. The metric ones do go a lot more, but you also get a lot more. These are only 6-piece sets. Like I said, I probably won't use them too often, but for the price, I got them on eBay for. Couldn't pass it up. And can never have enough tools. And just out of curiosity, these are probably the same thing. So the mixed power ones are on the back. For that one, this one's done on the back. So I guess it just depends on the manufacturer, what their specs and how they want things done. Same thing, this shallow set. Yep, on the back. So this end bowl one's on the back. This end bowl one's on the back as well too. So I have no idea. I'm not going to be overly picky. I didn't pay a lot for these, so yeah. All right, hope everyone's having a good weekend. That's how I started my weekend off yesterday when I came home from work. I got these in the mail, so I was pretty stoked about that. Definitely wanted to share that with y'all. And over the years, as I actually get to use them and review them, I'll post that up. Just like I'll do the rest of these sets as well too, individually, eventually, when time permits. But yeah, hope y'all staying warm if y'all are having some cold weather. And that, enjoy your weekend.